Activity 11, conditional queries. So in this activity, we will study about the if statement. So if mean now if a student is going to pay in one installment, then they will get a 10% discount on the 4,000 pounds cost of the trip. So now how we can do this is, so you go to create a query design. So we'll take the student table. Now we'll take a student ID, say name, surname, and the payment installment. Okay. So payment installment, if you just run it here, you get the installment. Now, when the student is payment installment is 1, when the student payment installment is 1, then they will get 10% discount. So then we have to have a, so now we are going to do a calculation here. Okay. So then we say cost for trip, say cost for trip. Then we can say, yeah, we will come to build here. Cost for trip. So then we'll say if, say we'll open the bracket. So we want the payment installment. So we tables, student, and we select the payment installment. Okay. So payment installment. So equal 1. When the payment installment equal to 1, we have to give 10% discount. That means 400 minus. So 400 minus, we had to find out the 10% of 400. Okay. So that is, this is the 10%. Okay. Otherwise, so then otherwise, there is no discount. We had to pay 400. Okay. So here, the if statement, student payment installment is 1 mean you have 10% discount. So 400 minus 400 into 10%. Then this will give you the 10% and this 400 minus 10%. Otherwise, keep the, keep the installment, the payment installment is, that means you have to pay 400. There is no discount for that one. Okay. So we'll run this one. Okay. Yes, see now, payment installment 4. So if payments in installment 4 mean you have to pay 400. But when you see now that when you take this one, here the payment installment is 1, then you have got 10%. Okay. So here see when you have a payment installment is 1, you get 10%. Others you have to pay 400 rupees. So this is about the first part of the activity 11.